Well, hello. I'm sort of temporarily mounting this at the moment. I want to live with it for a while and see if I need to make any adjustments to it, change the painting a little bit, or add anything, subtract anything. This is the London Underground cable trunking. I didn't want to have to make this go forever, so I decided to terminate it here. And this is going to be up here like that. Someplace in there, I'm not sure exactly where. Eventually it'll get glued, but for right now I'm just going to use some black tack and hold it up there so that I can, live with it for a while and see what I'm thinking. So other things that I have done here, let me move the camera and give you a better view. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, how about subscribing? That way you'll know when I have a new video out and you can watch it along with the rest of us. Thanks. I added some of this 3D printed London Underground stuff from Tim Surf made this. It's 3D printed. And I'll put a link to this, to the website where I bought it down in the description. I added on to this, whoops, bumping into stuff here. Sorry about that. I added on, let's see, it was from right in here. I added this much of it this week, and that, of course. And then last week, I added the little, is it a building or is it a box? I don't know. Right here. The camera can't decide whether to focus on this or this. See if that helps it just a little bit better. So the cables come down and go into this, and I don't think we're going to have anything up on street level. I was thinking about putting something up on street level at the other end, some sort of a box. The church is right there. But up here, the church is right above it, and there's really no room. I was going to put a little unit up here, surface box of some kind. Let me get some black tack. Well, that'll hold it for a while anyway. I tried to get this box vertical. This is sloped downhill. This is a decline, incline, decline. And I wanted this box to be level because that's the way that, they would do it. They wouldn't follow the slope, they would set it level. I don't think I quite got it, but it's not far off. It'll do. So that's about the way it's gonna sit. It's all one piece, by the way, from down there all the way to the box where the cables disappear down here. That's all one model. I can remove that someday, take it with me, pack it up, sell it, whatever. What I'd like to do is I'd like to see this from the point of view of riding on the rails. I don't know if my camera's going to behave today or not. Well, we'll see. If I can get that to work, we'll do a cab view, probably towards the end of the video. Cab ride, I guess we should say. So in the meantime, I think we'll run a few trains. I've got my new Class 70. I had to make some adjustments.
This is a Northern Line train via Charing Cross, terminating at Kennington.